Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making some cute Christmas crafts. The first one being these darling little trees, and then the second one, a darling little tassel. So if that interests you in any way, just keep watching. For this first project, you're going to need some scissors, some yarn. I chose this red and white one and then this white fluffy one, a glue gun, and then I picked these tree forms up at Hobby Lobby and I got two different sizes. I decided to use the white yarn for my tall tree just because I liked it the best and I just thought it would give a lot of texture and look really pretty. So here I am just starting at the top, and I will put a little dab of glue there and then start wrapping it. On the first time I did overlap the yarn, but as I went down the tree I did not.
Year passes, fa la 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 la. Hail the new year, lads and lasses, fa la 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 la. Sing we joyous all together, fa la 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 la.
When you're wrapping the cones, you want to pull it tight as you go around, but not too tight that you start to indent the cone. I tried to keep it even and tight all the way down, and you can see I use a little dab of glue every now and then just to secure the yarn. I didn't think it was necessary to hot glue the whole entire way down. So that's what you're seeing me do here with the little dabs of glue.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when 'tis cold and drear. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so
at the end here, I just hot glued all the way around the bottom edge and then kind of tucked the end of the string above up into the tree, if that makes sense.
Christmas tree, thy candles shine so brightly from base to summit, gay and bright. There's only splendor for the sight. Oh Christmas tree, thy candles shine so brightly. Oh Christmas tree, how richly God has decked me.
And then I just repeated myself wrapping the red and white yarn around the other cone. I didn't show this, but I did take a wooden bead and hot glue it to the top of the trees. You will see at the end of this clip it's on there. I just wanted to mention it really fast.
boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la.
For the next project, again, you're just going to need some yarn, scissors, and then something to wrap your yarn around. We are going to be creating some tassels. So the first thing you're going to do is you're just going to pick up your box or your book or whatever you have that you want to use. So your tassel will be however long the thing is. So this box was like about 3 inches wide, so my tassel will be about 3 inches, if that makes sense. And so I just wrap, and I like to make really chunky tassels, and so I do go around quite a bit of times.
Old year passes, fa la 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 la. Hail the new year, lads and lasses, fa la 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 la. Sing we joyous all together, fa la 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 la. Heedless of the wind and weather, fa la 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 la. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la.
Once you've gone around as many times as you want, you'll cut a piece of string and thread it through all of the string like I did there, and then pull it up to the top and tie a really tight knot, but don't tie too tight because the string will break. And then after you have done that, secure it really well, and then flip the box over and take your scissors and just cut all of the strings, because you just tied them all together. So once you've cut them, they will be all secured by the top string. Next thing that you will do is you will cut another piece of string, and you will go down about 1 inch or half an inch from the top and tie it again. That will create the little ball on top, and just secure that really tightly.
Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree.
And then the last thing you do is just trim off the edges, because when you have cut it, they don't cut perfectly even. And so just trim it up so that the whole bottom is flat. That really makes your tassel fluffy, look fluffy.
Oh, Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Oh, Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. How often has the Christmas tree afforded me the greatest glee? Oh, Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Oh, Christmas tree, thy candle shines so brightly. Oh, Christmas tree, thy candle shines so brightly.
Here I'm going to show you a couple of other ones that I've done. I did this red one. I thought it was so cute. And then I did a red and white one. And how I did that is I just took the strings together around the box, and now I'm going to thread some wooden beads onto the top there. I think that makes such a cute little extra statement. And on the white and red one, I have a little red wooden bead on the top. Just a little fun accent. I'm going to show you now where, like, different ways I think that the tassels are really cute. And I think that if you had a very simplistic tree and you wanted to just do all white tassels, I think that would be really fun. But my favorite way, and the reason I made them, were to hang them from my stocking. How fun is that? I love that red one with the white stocking. I just think it adds a little something fun, and I think that if you had a cute little letter attached, it would be even cuter. I attached the tassels to this pillow that I made. You can check out how I make the pillows in the description box below. There'll be a link. But I just thought it would add something fun. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Take care.